Straight up, I just wanna say one time after 2 years at this motherfucking crib, fuck all y'all motherfuckers living all over this motherfucker trying to kick me out. That goes for you, Mrs. Watson, with your little ass kids always fucking crying. You got your little chihuahua, fuck you and your motherfucking mama, bitch. I'm out here, suck my motherfucking dick. Yeah, remember music, old Jewish. Yeah, that's how it's going down one time for that. Okay, yeah. He's on drugs again. My neighbors yelling, I don't give a fuck again. And I swear to God, if the cops come again, I'ma open up this door, get the rumbling. Start bustin'. My dick, your mouth, no discussion. Yeah, it's all happening, I must be imagining. Take a hit, time traveling. Turn up the motherfucking volume. Yeah. And you a freak, why you
bring it right back to the ends, and I'm back on the transplant. Sold out shows, now back for revenge. They don't really wanna get it when I tap into the vision. When I'm back on the raps on tracks like I am not one of you, they never heard of me. Path is not written, so do not refer to me. They gon' be feeling this for an eternity. Money, ridiculous, second absurdities. And now I'm back for revenge. I'm leaving you on the bench, and I don't get no sleep. Go until the reaper weeps. I've been gone for a minute, had to rethink this way I've been living. Dropped disgrace, didn't feel so great, so I went dark, really had to find my way. Change of flow, but so devoted, really had to change of mode. Brand new focus, no more nights, playing shows ain't getting loaded. Got sober, now I'm working on my magnum opus. Yeah, I never rest, ego death, heard the competition, not impressed. I'm obsessed, yeah I'm pressed, that people really think they'll be up next. Look at your life, you ain't all about it, all you do is make raps, just talk about it. Face facts, I'ma do my own thing, chillin' in my own lane, so you're not a threat. I just want my revenge, I want nothing else. Long as I live, they are never gonna see me fail. I just want my revenge, I want nothing else. Long as I live, they are never gonna see me fail. Yeah, finally back on it, now I'ma step on it. Long as I live, no I never will lack on it. I'm on a killing spree, there ain't no chillin' me. Better destroy all that doubt my abilities. Came a long way of the trenches, tunnel vision with the year, you know that I've been senseless. Been making beats, been drawing the courage, been writing the songs. You know it's been me all along. Really better show 'em when I blow up, but I don't mean to be the one to talk about getting paid up. But I know the hate does, so it feels good when I'm cashing the checks. From blasting my set, I'm slashing the rest. Better get your flow right, you must have forgot I'm a low life. 2019 drive fearless, I'ma hit 'em with the next and I feel this. I just want my revenge, I want nothing else. Long as I live, they are never gonna see me fail. I just want my revenge, I want nothing else. Long as I live, they are never gonna see me fail. Man, I've been fearless, I let them feel this. You know I spit it no cap when I kill this. I'm better hit them with the rest, let them hear this. Where this war tour better be a field trip. Yeah, sack it up and then I double it. No time for mumbling, show them where trouble is. Been on my team, plotting my things, living my dreams, yeah it's obscene. Word around here been blessed, everything I hear my best. The game looks clear, no test. Won't stop till my peer sesh. Won't stop, no I don't rest. All you wanna talk about is how rich you are. Made 1 million, about 50 cars. Your label sucks, stuck in a 360. Not Harrison, but I'm still indie. Absurd, yeah I'm a man of my word. The music finally better burst. They wanted me dead in a hearse. They wanna copy how it work. I hit them like, yeah, good luck. From the sun up to the moon up. I made tracks on tracks, had views up. All these rappers lying with the rules up. I'm not one of them, they'll confuse us, Man, I've been fearless, I let them feel this. You know I spit it no cap when I kill this. I'm better hit them with the rest, let them hear this. Where this war tour better be a field trip. Yeah, sack it up and then I double it. No time for mumbling, show them where trouble is. Been on my team, plotting my things, living my dreams, yeah it's obscene. Been that lost boy, but I'm still here. Crawling up, ain't got no fears. Put me on the map and I'ma show them rap. All that fake stuff, got no time for that in my pain. Turned it into a new elegant lane. Really better win and then put in the shame. Show them what fire is burning for days. Music just won't be the same. They just wanna see me fail. Every time I will avail. All their music sounded stale. My music the holy grail. Been too long to quit, I made too many waves, yeah. About to feel the bliss when I step foot on stage, yeah. Man, I've been fearless, I let them feel this. You know I spit it no cap when I kill this. I'm better hit them with the rest, let them hear this. Where this war tour better be a field trip. Sack it up and then I double it. No time for mumbling, show them where trouble is. Been on my team, plotting my things, living my dreams, yeah it's obscene.
I pull up and make it a scene. I pull up and bust at the beam. Bullets fly, legs fuck on bodies high to the sky. 1,000 rounds will lay you down. We got enough to go around. You fuck with me, yeah.
flip the page while the first
Bullets
say.
fly, legs buck, our bodies pile to the sky. 1,000 rounds will lay you down. We got enough to go around. You fuck with me, yeah. I pull up and make it a scene, yeah. I pull up and bust in the beam. Bullets fly, legs buck, our bodies pile to the sky. 1,000 rounds will lay you down. We got enough to go around. You fuck with me, yeah. I pull up and make it a scene, yeah. I pull up and bust in the beam. So many people all around me, yet I feel so alone. I'm a dead man, walking zombie, singing my song. You want that fuck you music, go blow your brains out to it. Florida's finest, you find us inside that broke down hooped it. People in front of my face, but they really wanna bust a hole in my back. I've been on go for a minute, but they really wanna move me off of my tracks. Yeah, I got a bitch, but I still got 1,000 nasty hoes in my sack. Underground, underdog, 100 rat flexing, but still roam with the rat. Bullets fly, legs buck, our bodies pile to the sky. 1,000 rounds will lay you down. We got enough to go around. You fuck with me, yeah. I pull up and make it a scene, yeah. I pull up and bust in the beam. Bullets fly, legs buck, our bodies pile to the sky.
I'm a walking visual, you was refillable, unforgivable. Once you cross me, ho, now you a motherfucking stain, a little cut though. Let they go back, nuts, take drug game, ain't the same. Savage tatted on my face, great, ayy. Blazing while we hot box, fuck a bash, fuck a cop. Even if they K-hop, watch me bust on any block. Northside, naughty scope on the shot, send me blow your body. Tony gripping on the Tommy, bitch. Bite the head off a bad like a Mozzie. You got a problem, motherfucker, come and try me. I'm nothing like what your punk boys wanna embody. North, east side, 5'9", Tony gripper Tommy. Fuck around, end up with your body autopsy. I be that walking zombie, bad sauce, eating bodies. 3 choppers in the shot, shooting everybody. Cigarette wet, bumping boozy badass. On them drugs, jigging jaws got clench. Trigger finger itching. If you think I'm kidding, smoke leaking from the sticky that be smoking, boy. Fuck a backwoods, which is what I use, boy. Smoke what I choose, do what I wanna do. Motherfuck you and your punk friends too.
Ruby, blonde lit, lungs edge, bitch, I like the sting. Smoking potent, thinking I'm the chosen one, bitch, I'm a king. I can hear my dead homie sing. Now my eyes always hurting, wiping tears with diamond rings, yeah, hey.
Hold the fuck, boy, who the fuck said we cool? Man, I quit smoking with Hikes back in 2002. What it do, motherfucker, I'm a fool. We been the champions, gonna make out until you got a bottom, then you better move. From the womb to the tomb, bustin' out early, bustin' out soon. Back out the city, I'm back on the 30s, in about 20 minutes, we'll be on the moon.
Drugs got me fucked up, slugs got me drugged up, fuck. Slap my face against a pill to crush, shit up. Government ID helps me get high, seeing stars in the mirror like I'm looking with a pipe in. Lime green paint, but the rims looking sparkly. Mighty sloppy, might be cocky, am I in the right? Saying highly unlikely, and I'm willing to fucking bet.
Leave a pussy wet, then I leave a pussy wet. I'm a fucking vet, I'm a motherfucking threat. G59 the set, G59 will make you sweat. I don't give a fuck, it's my fucking epithet. Lace up my Nike deck, gauge, BBA, Devon's gauge, 7 war by the leg to my death.
You come off of your drunken stupor from Bourbon Street Saturday night, get up in time to go to Mass on Sunday morning, and you tell God you're sorry for your drunkenness, only to go back out tonight and get wasted again.